Hey everyone, having trouble with Aldi Mobile Wi Fi calling? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the best fixes to get it up and running in no time. Stay tuned and let's solve it together. To fix Aldi Mobile Wi Fi calling issues, enable Wi Fi calling in your phone settings, ensure a stable Wi Fi connection, and update your device's software. If problem persists, restart your device, reset network settings, and contact Aldi Mobile support for further assistance. Why are the mobile Wi-Fi calling not working? Wi-Fi calling is not enabled in phone settings, unstable or no Wi-Fi network connections, outdated device software or carrier settings, network congestion or service outages in your area, SIM card issues or incorrect network configuration. Fix 1. Check mobile data. Ensure mobile data is enabled and functioning as Wi-Fi calling may require it for initial setup. On iPhone, go to settings, then cellular or mobile data, and scroll down to view your data usage. On Android, go to settings, then network and internet, then go to SIMs or connections, then tap on data usage to check your mobile data usage. Alternatively, access quick settings or a control center and enable Wi Fi icon if it is disabled. Fix 2. Restart your device. Restarting clears temporary glitches and refreshes network connections, potentially resolve Wi Fi calling issues. On iOS, press and hold the power button and volume up or a down button until the slide to power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off the phone, wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. On Android, press and hold the power button or a volume button, tap power off and wait for a few seconds. Then press and hold the power button again to restart the device. Fix 3. Check coverage. Verify you are in an area with the Advocate cellular and Wi-Fi coverage for Wi-Fi calling to work. Go to Aldi mobile coverage page, input your address in the search bar, click search icon to get the details. To check server status, you can see notification regarding service outages by visiting Aldi mobile service status page, where if error is from their side, the issue will be resolved automatically within 2 hours. Fix 4. Restart Wi-Fi calling. Restarting your device helps resolve Wi Fi calling issues by clearing temporary software glitches and refreshes network connections, which can restore proper functionality. For iOS, go to Settings, then Phone, then go to Wi Fi calling and toggle off Wi Fi calling on. This iPhone wait for a few seconds, toggle on Wi Fi calling, follow prompts to confirm and enter your emergency address. For Android, open Settings, then go to Connections, then tap on Wi Fi calling and toggle it off and toggle it on. If you cannot see Wi-Fi calling option, you don't have the access to Wi-Fi calling option. Fix 5. Check 4G status. Ensure your phone is connected to a 4G network as it may be necessary for Wi-Fi calling setup. iOS, go to settings, then mobile data, then go to mobile data option, voice and data, then select 4G VoLTE on. On Android, go to settings, then network and internet, then tap on mobile network, select your SIM preferred network type and toggle VoLTE or enhanced 4G LTE mode. Fix 6. Update devices software. Install the latest software update to fix bugs or compatibility issues affecting Wi Fi calling. On iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then go to Software Update, tap Download, and install if an update is available. On Android, open Settings, then System, then go to Software Update, tap Check for Updates, then select Download and install if available. Fix 7. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings can resolve misconfiguration or corrupted settings inspecting Wi Fi calling. For iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then go to Transfer or Reset iPhone, reset network settings. For Android, go to Settings, then System, then go to Reset Options, reset Wi Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth, then Confirm. It will erase saved Wi Fi networks and settings, so reconnect afterward. Fix 8. Reinsert the SIM. Reinserting the SIM card helps resolve Wi Fi calling issues by ensuring proper alignment in the tray and refreshing its connection to the network. For iOS, use a SIM ejector tool to remove the SIM tray left or right side. Take out the SIM card, clean it gently, and reinsert it securely. For Android, SIM tray is commonly found on the side, top, or bottom edge. Follow the same process using the ejector tool or a paper clip, ensuring the SIM is properly aligned before reinserting. Contact Aldi Mobile. If issue persists, contact Aldi Mobile support for further assistance. Call 2534 ALDI for free. from your Aldi mobile phone. If you are trying to port your number, you can dial 1300989000 within Australia or 613922355590 from overseas. Standard rates may apply.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.